বিরতির পর আরও একবার স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি সকালের বাংলাদেশের এই পর্যায়ে যারা মাত্রই যুক্ত হচ্ছেন আরও একবার শুভ সকাল। আর রুনিয়া,
শুভ সকাল বলে দিতে চাচ্ছি যে আমরা বলেছি আজকে খুব ইন্টারেস্টিং করে আমাদের পুরো অনুষ্ঠানটা সাজানো হয়েছে, তো সেটাকে কিভাবে আরও ইন্টারেস্টিং করা যায়, তো সেটা যদি আপনারা মিস না করেন সেজন্য আপনাদেরকে দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি ছোট্ট একটি ঝলক।
Música que envolve.
দর্শক, অনেকগুলো ছবি দেখাচ্ছিলাম। ছবিগুলো দেখাতে গিয়ে একটি বিষয় মনে পড়লো যে বৈশ্বিক উষ্ণায়ন নিয়ে কিন্তু এখন আমরা অনেক বেশি কথা বলি, আমরা জলবায়ু পরিবর্তন নিয়েও কথা বলি, এবং আলিয়াস ফ্রান্সিসের চলছে একটা এক্সিবিশন। আজ আমাদের মাঝে যে দুজনকে আমরা পেয়েছি তারাও ঠিক এই জলবায়ু পরিবর্তন নিয়ে কাজ করে, এবং আমাদের মতো উন্নয়নশীল রাষ্ট্রগুলো যারা জলবায়ু পরিবর্তনে হুমকির মুখে তাদের জন্য তারা কাজ করে যাচ্ছে। পরিচয় করে দিই তাদের সাথে। প্রথমেই যার সাথে পরিচয় করে দিব তিনি হচ্ছেন হিউগো রিভাদো দুমা, প্রকল্প সমন্বয়ক আলিয়াস ফ্রান্সিস দ্য ডেভেলপমেন্ট, এবং জ বনোয়া দু সালাক, কান্ট্রি রিপ্রেজেন্টেটিভ আলিয়াস ফ্রান্সিস দ্য ডেভেলপমেন্ট। গুড মর্নিং টু বোথ অফ ইউ।
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Shubho Shakal.
Okay, Shubho Shakal. So I have a very common question. How do you start your day? Start with Hugo.
How do I start my day?
Yes.
So in Bangladesh, it's easy to say. I start my day. I'm working on my Bangla. I wake
Okay.
up and আমি বাংলা শিখতে চেষ্টা করি।
Yeah,
তারপরে
fantastic.
সোজা অফিস and we work for development in Bangladesh.
Okay, that's great.
As I was mentioning, and how do you start your day?
Well, I focus on my kids early in the morning. I'm trying not to lose too much time on go direct to development on climate change. We have so much to do in Bangladesh.
Exactly. How many kids do you have?
2 kids.
So it's a very energized morning that you have start every day. I would like to know, as I was mentioning, that both of you are working for Others Development for Climate Change, which is also French agency for climate change, if I'm not wrong.
For development,
For
actually.
development. And both of you are concentrating on the fact that the third world countries or the development countries who are basically would be the main victim of this climate change, awareing them, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yeah, of course. Well, our organization is a French public organization that provides funding to developing emerging countries for developments. We provide financing for large-scale infrastructures in developing emerging countries. But nowadays, because climate, it's a very key issue. Development and climate are just very much related. So when you speak about development, of course, you need to concern about climate.
True.
And Hugo, I would like to know, as you have been working as the project coordinator, and you have been working with very long time in this development sector, how important do you find the issue of climate change to be discussed?
So as Jean-Benoît said, when you talk about development, you also have to talk about climate change. Whenever we start doing a project, we always have this environmental concern in mind. Because now we cannot develop Bangladesh or the world like we used to develop Europe, with very polluting energies, etc. We need to find a new model. So this concern is always in our mind when we work. How to make the world at the same time richer but also greener.
If you miss climate change, I mean your development jobs cannot be sustainable. If you want
Even
to
it
make
could
it
be a
long
question
term,
of-
you need to include climate change.
Even it might become a question of existence.
True.
Of
Yeah,
Very
for
true.
sure,
Yeah.
especially in Bangladesh.
Especially in Bangladesh. Yeah.
ওকে, তো আমি হুগোকে বাংলায় প্রশ্ন করি যে আপনি বাংলার চেষ্টা করছেন এবং জানার এবং বাংলা শেখার, বাংলা শেখাটা কত কঠিন? একদম আপনাকে পুরো আলাদা একটা প্রশ্ন করলাম।
মানে
বাংলা শেখাটা কি খুব বেশি কঠিন মনে হয়?
আমি আমি সত্য বলবো আমার বাংলা খারাপ, ঠিক আছে? আমি শুধু 2.5 মাসে আমি বাংলা শিখে, তাহলে আমি পুরাপুরি বাংলা বলতে পারি না।
Okay.
তো আর কি বলবো
না,
আমি?
এতটুকু যথেষ্ট।
যদিও অনেক অনেক সুন্দর করেই বলেছেন, একদম ঘাবড়ানোর কিছু নেই।
I'll come back to Joe. These are the framework that you'd be doing for a particular. Do you have something particular in mind that you are doing all this development work in developing countries and gathering information? Is there any main motive to it?
Yeah, of course. You know, end of the year, we'll host in Paris the COP21 conference, which is a climate change conference in Paris. More than 40,000 people will come in Paris trying to find out legally binding positive agreements to fight against climate change.
The key idea would be inviting all the decision makers in that event, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, on a worldwide basis. So many delegations from all countries in the world will come to Paris and will need to sit to find an agreement. And because of these events, end of the year, we need to stimulate the debate here in Bangladesh about climate change, especially in a positive way, because, well, the way we talk about climate change, usually it's in a very sad way, I would say in a positive, pessimistic approach. Here we want to show that climate change is not only a challenge, it's also an opportunity. There is a lot of nice things that happens about climate change, especially in Bangladesh. This is very much those kind of initiative we would like to promote and highlight in Bangladesh.
Okay, this is the I think আমি আপনাকে যে প্রশ্ন করতে চাচ্ছি সেটা হচ্ছে যে আপনার কি ঢাকার মধ্যে বসেই কাজ করা হয় নাকি সত্যি গ্রামে গিয়ে দেখা হয়েছে যে কিভাবে আসলে ক্লাইমেট চেঞ্জটা এফেক্ট করছে আমাদের সমাজকে?
তো আজকালে আমরা শুধু ঢাকায় কাজ করেন, সিটিতে, ঠিক আছে, শহরে, কিন্তু আমরা চাই যে আগামী মতলব আগে সামনে আমরা ঢাকার বাইরে ও কাজ করব।
আচ্ছা,
তো হ্যাঁ।
That's the idea.
But you know, the effect of climate change, we often talk about climate change in coastal areas of Bangladesh.
Which would be suffering even the most.
Yes,
Yeah.
But there are other places in Bangladesh who cannot, we will, and we are already suffering also for climate change, especially alongside rivers, even in the northern part of the country.
I would like to come back to Joe again. As this is a development sector and you've been working for a very long time, you started your career as this, or is there any real life experience that involved you to work in this sector?
Well, on my side, I started in banking business first, but in order to have more beautiful project to work with, I decided to switch and to go to development world, but with a financing approach. So most of my experience is to provide funding for those kind of projects.
So in short, you would be calculating on the development work. You'll be doing the number crunching thing. Thank you very much for that. I'll go back to Hugo, and I'd like to know something like, as you were mentioning, and when we were having the discussion, you were mentioning that you've been working with a development of this climate change issue. So have you personally experienced any of this event in your life that made you more keen or more interested to work on this sector?
I will be very honest with you. I would say no, not personally. Not personally. It's only when I came here in Bangladesh, I'm going to be very honest with you, that I realized how urgent is the issue of climate change. Because here in Bangladesh, especially in these villages, people don't even know about climate change. Jolbayu Poribortan. They don't talk about it.
They're not even concerned.
They experiment it. They experiment it. They don't put big words in it. So that's only when I came here, when I interacted with the people, that I realized how pressing is this issue.
Well, this is very much the driver for organizing these events. In Europe, in many developed countries, when we talk about climate change, this is mostly a conference or high-level meeting matter. Here, well, it's just a day-to-day issue. You have to tackle it. You have to, you have no choice but to adapt. So you meet people they're on a daily basis affected by climate change. They have no plan about where they will be living in 20 years from now.
Right.
So, well, definitely, climate change affects many things: agriculture, lands.
Finding new ways of surviving
Of
or
course.
coping up with the
And
issues that would be
Because of
changing.
that, well, Bangladesh is like a laboratory, open sky laboratory, and we can be ahead of our time in advance and to bring evidence to the world that in Bangladesh there is definitely a bridge between climate change and developments.
So
And this is
basically
a
you want to
practical
take-
experience.
Right.
This is not a conference experience.
So you want to take Bangladesh as a role model and project it to the rest of the world.
Well,
We
in
would
short,
like to, yeah.
Yes, because usually abroad, especially when we talk about Bangladesh, we talk about disasters, we talk about pain, etc., which is happening. We're not denying it.
True.
But there are also solutions to it. And it's not only solutions coming from abroad. We, the French Development Agency, bringing solutions. It's not just like that. You also
We
have
have been
solutions.
surviving for very long. We must
Yes,
be
and
knowing
you have
something.
a culture of resilience and lots of innovation, lots of. It's a very dynamic country, and that's why it's a right place to talk about climate change and development.
Fantastic. As Runia and I was discussing, we got to know about from you that there's some positive side of climate change.
Yes.
Runia, would you like to know that from them?
হ্যাঁ, মানে কি আপনার কাছে মনে হচ্ছে যে পজিটিভ কি সলিউশন আপনি দিতে পারবেন এবং কিভাবে এই যে ক্লাইমেট চেঞ্জটা হচ্ছে এটাকে কিভাবে আরো হয় না স্লো করা যায়?
ঠিক আছে, কিন্তু মাফ করুন আমি
You can always use
ইংরেজিতে
English.
বলবো,
Yeah.
ঠিক আছে?
হ্যাঁ, অবশ্যই,
কারণ
অবশ্যই।
মতলব মুশকিল আছে।
So go ahead with your
So
English.
no, this is true that we were very much happy to see all the innovation that's are happening in Bangladesh. For example, I could give you the example of rice.
Yes.
You have very dynamic rice research institute, and they have found a new way to grow rice underwater, with salty water, even with a very warm and dry environment. So this is one solution. Then we saw in villages, whole villages, more than 5,000 people coming together and building a dam to protect the village. This is also an example for the planet.
Okay.
I could give you thousands of examples like that. Housing projects,
And the solar system project.
solar system, exactly. I mean, it's crazy. Even in small villages where you don't have you used not to have proper electricity, people came up with this solar housing model, and now they have light through the sun. And again, this is an example how to bridge climate change and development.
Okay. Now I'd like to change the whole thing into a very smiley kind of conversation. How you're finding out Bangladesh? You're enjoying it here? No more serious discussion.
Yes.
I'd like to know your personal experience. How you're enjoying Bangladesh? And how long it has been?
Of course, I enjoy Bangladesh for about 1 year. It's a very different experience from what I've been living before. I'm impressed by the capacity of Bangladeshi people to be creative, innovative. Well, of course, sometimes it's sometimes more complicated because of cultural
language.
difference. I cannot hide it, but more especially the exciting intellectual life, creation, innovation. This is definitely something we experience on a daily basis, and on that specific matter of climate, this is good news for Bangladesh. Look at NGOs, look at the local government, look at communities, even business, companies. Everybody is engaged in the climate fight. So definitely, this is something we need to bring and to show outside the country that Bangladesh is not only floods, Bangladesh is not only cyclone. You have many famous experts of climate change here in Bangladesh. You have high-level practitioners about development, about climate change. Please make it, bring it to the world.
Fantastic. Hugo, what about you?
আরে আপনি জানেন আমার
In short,
খুব
experience.
ভালো লাগে মানে খুব ভালো লাগে and I think it's a very it's very stimulating to be in this country.
Fantastic.
আমি সত্য বলবো আমার মনে হয় কি আপনাদের বাংলাদেশি আপনার দিল খুব বড়
Okay.
বুঝতে পারেন আমার কথা
Okay, fantastic.
তো इसलिए इसलिए
Thank you.
Enjoy
He's-
Karchi.
Now he is getting mixed up with
I'm
the
getting
Indian
mixed up.
body. Anyways, thank you very much to both of you for joining us in the early morning and giving us ideas about how we can change and we can develop this current scenario that's been going around. I hope this definite work goes into that place where you want to see yourself. দর্শক, কথা বলছিলাম আমাদের আজকের অতিথিদের সাথে, যারা ছিলেন হুগোর বা দুমা প্রকল্প সমন্বয়ক আজাজ ফ্রান্সিস, দ্য ডেভেলপমেন্ট, এবং জাঁ বনোয়া দু শালা কান্ট্রি রিপ্রেজেন্টেটিভ আজাজ ফ্রান্সিস দ্য ডেভেলপমেন্ট। দুজন অসাধারণ মানুষের সাথে কথা বললাম, তাদের কথাগুলো জানলাম। থ্যাংক ইউ টু বোথ অফ ইউ ফর জয়নিং মি।
থ্যাংক ইউ,
ধন্যবাদ।
এই মুহূর্তে
ইট ওয়াজ আ প্লেজার।
Just a pleasure for us.
Yeah.
এই মুহূর্তে তাদের বিদায় জানাচ্ছি। নিয়ে নিচ্ছি ছোট্ট একটা বিরতি, ফিরছি এক্ষুনি, সাথেই থাকুন।